Today on TLDR from GeekWire, Congress releases Mark Zuckerberg's testimony, ear-cleaning headphones, and Elon Musk unveils a giant spaceship tool. From GeekWire, it's TLDR, your daily rundown on all things tech. Hey everyone, welcome back to the show. I hope you had a good weekend and that you had a chance to add our show to your Alexa flash briefings. As I mentioned last week on Friday, TLDR is now available on all Amazon Alexa devices, so check out the description box to see more information on how to set that up. All right, our first story today is about Mark Zuckerberg. As you might have already heard, he's going to testify before Congress this week, and he's expected to be grilled on the Cambridge Analytica scandal. Earlier today, Congress released his prepared statement. In it, he said he's sorry for not doing enough to stop Facebook from being used for harm. He said that goes for fake news, foreign interference in elections, and hate speech, as well as developers and data privacy. And today, Facebook also announced that it's forming a research commission to study the impacts of social media on elections. The goal is to understand how Facebook will affect upcoming elections like Brazil, India, Mexico, and the US midterms. Areas of study could include misinformation campaigns, election security, and polarizing content. Up next, say goodbye to QTips. Seattle startup Falcon Health has developed what's basically the Sonicare of ear cleaning. The Oda Set is a pair of headphones that can professionally clean a person's ears in just 35 seconds, using nozzles that spray warm water and hydrogen peroxide into the patient's ear canal. The nozzles also suck the water back into the device to avoid messy spills. Falcon Health just raised $1 million to help launch the headphones in US hospitals.
Impacted earwax is the leading cause of partial hearing loss. I'm sure we have a lot of guilty Q-tip users in the crowd today. All I can say is do not use Q-tips. It only makes the problem worse.
That was the startup CEO, Sahil Dewan, at the most recent GeekWire summit.
So this will sell at the physician's office for about $6.95 and has a $12 per patient use for disposable tips and disposable containers.
And that's where the real revenue is, like in Sonic.
And finally, Elon Musk showed off the giant tool that'll be used for the BFR interplanetary spaceship. SpaceX hasn't confirmed what the F in that acronym stands for, but let's just go with Big Falcon Rocket. The SpaceX CEO took to Instagram last night to show off how massive this thing is. The photo also featured a Tesla Model 3 electric car, of course. The interplanetary spaceship is the cargo-carrying part of the BFR. The BFR is the rocket that Musk eventually plans to use as an all-purpose space vehicle for trips ranging from moon missions to journeys to Mars and beyond. And SpaceX's tentative specs suggest it'll be 30 feet in diameter and about 157 feet long. Last month, Musk said that the spaceship is already under construction and it should be on track to have test flights next year. Well, that's all we have for today. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and follow us on Facebook so you won't miss an episode. I'm Starla Sampaco. Thank you so much for watching TLDR. We'll see you tomorrow.